Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to teach you how to create a gorgeous soft green smoky eye makeup look with glitter. It's super easy and we can achieve it in just 3 minutes. So join me and let's get started. I applied a green eyeshadow across my entire eyelid, ensuring full coverage by using a large flat brush to blend it seamlessly. This green eyeshadow is bold and captivating. By blending it with different eyeshadow colors, you can create a stunning and unique makeup looks. I also blend the crease area to make sure there are no visible lines. I carefully blend the eyeshadow using a smaller fluffy brush to ensure a seamless finish without any harsh lines. My goal is to achieve a soft eyeshadow look, so feel free to intensify or soften it based on your preference. I also applied on my lower lash line and blended in sweeping motion. I used the same small fluffy brush to apply a bit of black eyeshadow to the outer and inner corners of my eyelids and blend it out. This makeup look is very easy and beautiful and I absolutely love it. I want the outer edges of my eyelids to be darker, so focus on blending and darkening this area. And this is the final result. I also apply black eyeshadow along my lower lash line, which looks really beautiful. It's my favorite part. This eye makeup will be complete with a white glitter. The combination of colors is truly beautiful. I apply the glitter to the center of my eyelids using my finger. I also apply it to the inner corners of my eyes and along my lower lash line as well. This makeup look is truly stunning, unique, and easy to achieve. And finally, I used eyeliner. The makeup is all done. You can use false eyelashes or mascara to make your lashes look fuller. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. I hope this short tutorial has been enjoyable or helpful for you. This makeup is very easy and suitable for beginners. If you're interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week. So to not miss out on the videos, please subscribe to my channel and like the video or share it with your friends. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.